Hi everybody, it's Erin Cochran, the House Whisperer from revealingredesign.com. It has been a long time since I've done a video, but I wanted to do one today. I'm actually here at the house in Maine. Everybody's left for the day, and I wanted to show you around a little bit, just on the upstairs. I hope I can show you some other parts of the house, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But I'm going up, let me give you a perspective here. This is the back stair of the house. So this would have been used by, when this was built in the late 1800s, this would have been used by the help. This is the part of the house that I think is really cool. It has so much history and has so many neat angles, and let me show you a little bit here. Stop talking. So up here, there was no bathroom before, and all the eaves were very low and it was very dark. So we're in the process of this space here behind me. Let me see if I can show you. This space behind me, we added a dormer to this room and actually partitioned off the space. So it's now going to be the playroom. And with the new windows and skylight over here, it's gonna be a really fun place for the kids to hang out. In here, you can see, I don't know how it's hard for me to look and see what you're seeing. Through these windows, let's say, you can see the lobster boats, and they're all coming in right now. It's pretty cool. And this is going to be the new bathroom up here. So, where there was none before. So here's the new vanity behind me, and the tub. We have some beautiful tile going in here. It's gonna be really stunning. And then you come back out here to the landing. We're keeping some of the original woodwork, of course. We're keeping all the original woodwork in terms of the style of it and the beadboard. We're keeping some of it natural and painting some of it, and we're keeping some of this original teal color, which actually, when you look out at the water, it's this beautiful color that you see in the water. This little landing here, we actually just ordered a custom sofa to go here, which is going to be so cozy to sit up here and curl up with a good book on a summer afternoon. And then back here was two large bedrooms, but of course they're all eaves. But look at these cool windows behind me. How cool is that? So this is going to be one of the kids' rooms, and the one on the other side that has the water view. I'll show you that now. So on this side, you can see, I've taken a lot of pictures of these rooms over the last 2-3 years as I've been working on this, because this attic space really fascinates me. So here's the windows that overlook the water, and I don't think you're going to be able to see much out of the windows right now because of the light, maybe. But anyway, hello, hope I'm not making you sick. So anyway, that's the third floor here. It's super, super charming and has so much original character. One of the reasons that my clients really wanted to buy this house is because so much of it is left original, and we could preserve that and add to it as we add modern conveniences. Like we've put in 2 new bathrooms. No, 3. How many bathrooms have we put in? And let me just quickly show you in here. Over here is the elevator shaft. You can see that. The elevator will arrive in the next few weeks. And behind me is this cool salvage transom we found and put in up here. Very cool. And behind me today, I just, with another designer here, Destiny is her name, we dry fit all the custom tile that came in for this bathroom, just to make it was confusing. So it took us a while to figure out exactly how it was gonna fit in the space. But this is the handicap accessible bathroom, so you can see the tile is gonna run right into the curbless shower for their grandson who is in a wheelchair. But this tile is one that I found. I'm super excited about it because it's very much in keeping with the late 1800s and early 1900s era of this house. All right, I hope to show you more this week as I'm up here for work. Hope you're having a great summer. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.